Who knew homemade pizza dough could be this quick and easy? Let's dive in. Hey pizza lovers! Today, we're whipping up a no-yeast pizza dough that's super easy and quick. Perfect for those spontaneous pizza cravings. First things first, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, optional, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, optional. Got it? Great! In a large bowl, combine the flour, salt, and baking powder. Gradually add warm water while mixing until the dough comes together. Add that olive oil if you want extra flavor and elasticity. Now knead until smooth and pliable, about 8-10 minutes. Cover your dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 15-20 minutes. This makes it easier to roll out. While waiting, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, and pop a pizza stone or baking sheet inside to heat up. Once rested, divide the dough into 1 or 2 portions. Roll each on a floured surface into a thin circle or rectangle. Transfer the dough to parchment paper. Now, top it with your favorite goodies: tomato sauce, cheese, veggies, meats, whatever you love. Carefully slide your pizza onto the preheated stone or baking sheet and bake for 10-12 minutes until the crust is crisp and golden brown. For an extra crispy base, roll the dough thinner and pre-bake for 3-4 minutes before adding toppings. Adjust water if the dough feels too dry or sticky. And there you have it, a quick, easy, delicious pizza base ready for your favorite toppings. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Enjoy your homemade pizza night.